Okay, it's just a quick video of our 2005 Ford Explorer we have for sale. It's an Eddie Bauer edition. She's fully loaded. And beautiful condition. I'll take pictures too. And post them. We'll put it up on OLX and maybe Facebook or something like that, but if anyone is interested. Runs perfect, really well. Abby, what are you doing in here? Just doing a quick little video of the truck.
Yeah.
It's nice and cool in here. And the back.
Let's stop. That's it.
Yeah, you don't come with the truck though, do you?
Of course not. You cannot live without me.
Oh my. And of course the sunroof. Power sunroof. If you ever want to use it. We never do. You can close that now. Quick peek under the hood. If I can get it open. There we go. There we go. Runs very quiet. No ticking, no noises. It does have an antenna. I took it off because we have a car cover that goes on it. It's a pain to put the car cover on and off with the antenna. And she's registered for till February 2020. Okay, that's it. The kilometers is 60,835. You can't really see the dash too well. Okay, folks.